up David's house right now. There's David.
It's true.
I'm just saying, like, even the wheels on it, it's just like, if you're gonna get such a small truck, why waste money on an F-150 when you can get a perfectly good Ranger?
Because I look drunk all the time. It compromises for the small pee-pee.
Oh my.
I call it not the biggest. Fuck you want?
How's your cookie?
It's good.
It's a good cookie.
Fucking good cookie.
Oh my god, this pump is slow as hell. Here we go. Have you seen the Volkswagen? I don't know what the name of it is. It starts with the A, the super fancy one. Holy shit.
We almost died. Bye. Now, what were you saying, big boy?
No, they have like an actual like luxury car that's like super duper expensive and it's like overrated. And we just passed one. I've never seen one in real life before.
This must be a moment for you.
It is. As a Volkswagen boy in the Volkswagen community. Why is this guy going 40 to 45? Brakes. Rear end him. About to pass him.
We got you recording, buddy.
But we would be in the wrong, David.
Oh. Evis got his plate. There's his plate.
Are we going to Ridge?
Do you want to go rich?
It's gonna be wet, so we can do slides.
So am I.
Oh, okay, David. We could do the slides and the skirts
Okay.
into the woods.
It's making me more wet.
Into the stream.
Into the stream.
Into the stream.
Into the stream.
Yes.
Yay.
Oh my God, my
Stream.
brakes don't work.
Oh, look at that motherfucker. He's trying to hide his plate.
Yeah, it's like,
Yeah.
Like, what the hell is that shit
Bubble
called?
wrap. Fucker, you ain't hiding from me, motherfucker. I got you.
He's driving a Mercedes SUV. It wouldn't surprise me if he was a drug dealer.
But he just fucking gets out, pulls out the clock, and fucking pops on it. Remember, look at me.
The weed
You're a
plants are
fucking
gone.
faggot.
The weed plants are gone. Check out the weed plants.
Oh,
The
yeah.
glorious weed fields of New York
The
State.
weed fields of New York State. It's a shit stain, and so are you in New York State. New York fucking sucks.
It does.
New York. Oh shit, there is. Bye bye, Mercedes drug
Bye-bye,
dealer.
drug dealer.
Bye bye. Sorry if I had an aneurysm. Tyler's just driving retarded.
No, I was trying to do the skirt, but like I don't have enough horsepower to do the skirt.
Bad guy.
Are we gonna make this green light?
Oh god.
We're gonna make this green light? Oh, no, we're not.
I thought he was gonna kill me.
That's okay. We get to go on the top. Hi, cows.
Oh dude, fucking cows, bro. Have you ever wondered how a cow gets inseminated?
I don't know what that word means, and I don't want to.
They get preggers.
No.
They do some ass play, and you have to stick your fist in it, and then put the sperm right in. That's no joke either. Like, that's actually how you do it.
Why do you know this?
Because I know someone that's done it.
Okay, David.
What the fuck you
We
think?
have to go over the company policies of what we can and cannot say while recording.
Company policy? I never agreed to this.
Yeah, you signed the papers, bitch.
I didn't sign any fucking papers.
That's a nice Chevy.
That's what you are, buddy. Stick your fist in exhaust.
That's why I made mine bigger.
Yep. Because it's not tight anymore.
It went from a 2.5
It's a lot looser now.
to a 3.5. I should just blow right through.
She's a slut.
How fast shall we go over this speed?
Oh god, here we go. Alright. Ah, he's a bitch!
I'm not trying to blow out my right there. Told you if you send it too hard, it comes on.
We're gonna die.
My camshaft's gonna go flying through my hood.
Wee.
Actually, no, it's gonna go through my fender.
Wee.
Tiny little splotch. Right where my fucking mirror is all blurry.
It's because of your sexy, like, ass. That's why. Like, you just spread it.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
First of all, there's nothing wrong with me. Second, I'm clearly... That looks like an aspirin. That is a fucking aspirin.
No, it is not.
It's not my fault that you're one of those car-loving sex gurus, okay?
Oh, you hear it skirt?
Yeah, I heard the
skirted.
skirt. Hello, spooky house.
Hello, spooky house. Hello,
Spooky
Rich.
house, hello.
I really want to go in there one
No!
I really
I'm not going in there with you.
I want to go in there.
I'd
though.
have to bring night vision to go in there. I'm not going anywhere without my gun, my plate carrier, and my fucking night vision.
But look, there's a giant
I
electrical
don't
thing.
care! That is haunted as shit!
But
That is cursed!
It will be a cool video.
No!
It will be a very
No!
cool video.
I'm not your dad! I'm not your dad! We're gonna die! Here we go! We're gonna... Oh, shit. Don't hit the gas can.
gas can.
The gas can.
The trash can.
The grass can.
The trash can.
The grass knock.
can. Oh my god.
Do-do-do. Do-do-do. We're on a rally road. Let's hope we don't die.
Full handbrake.
He's driving like an idiot. You story in the mustard.
I'm waiting for someone to come around that corner as we come around the corner. Because this is a two-way road, but like...
It's not really.
It's not really a two-way road.
Where's the stream?
The stream?
Stream.
I don't know what stream is.
Oh my god.
I don't like this part. I don't like this part.
Why not? It's a gradual S-curve.
Yes, I know, but it's all gravel and it's wet. And if we slide to the right, we're going into the woods. There's my suspension.
Is your suspension good?
Yeah.
Does it suck?
No, it's coiled.
Are you going to blow the exhaust out?
Wouldn't be surprised if my exhaust fell off. It's literally held in by force. So you can see if my exhaust fell off or not.
We get
check
a
engine light.
boost of power from the exhaust falling off.
Nope, she's still there. She is covered in mud though.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's covered in mud.
Leaves right on.
Oh. No, it would fall off if you did that.
Oh my god.
It's actually not that muddy after we hit that giant oh wait, never mind. It's kinda muddy. That piece is still missing. I say she's fucking mint, bud.
It looks like it's already at work. Look at all you guys. Look at you. Look at your house.
Damn, that Camaro was messed up.
Yeah, probably. Okay, now we're in the cabin in the woods.
David, I swear to fucking God.
We're in the cabin in the woods.
You need to just act normal when you're filming.
No, that destroys the whole purpose of comedy.
I'm not going for comedy, David.
We're going for comedy!
You just spit all over my elbow.
Good! Hope you get coronavirus. Fuck you, bitch.
Oh, shit.
Oh, wait!
I can't see anything out of that window. Why is it so foggy?
You know, it's all about the road side, what?
Stop ahead.
Oh,
I don't wanna
shit.
stop.
Oh, dead man. Oh, do a drift! Do a drift!
No.
Oh, you're a bitch.
Why would I drift right there?
Because.
Why is it so fucking dark?
Because.
So we're gonna need to use your phone for GPS because I don't know which way to go.
Make a left.
Left?
Yee.
Dover Furnace Ridge.
Make the fucking left! Can't believe you're trying to make kid-friendly content on YouTube. Like, little Timmy doesn't know anything about cars. And if he does, he knows about fucking Cars 1, Cars 2, Cars 3. Who knows anymore? They made it so Lightning McQueen fucking dies. We're gonna, and then they did the planes. No, I don't fucking know. I didn't see the movie.
I was gonna say, if they made him die, I'm calling Pixar right now.
I mean, it wouldn't be that impossible.
Stop being foggy.
Ah! How dare you!
Just gets railed by a train.
We just died.
First and only YouTube video.
Is this really the first?
Yes.
What are we calling this?
I don't know.
Coming shits.
Sock goes on road trip.
No! Coming shits, bizarre adventure.
No.
You're cum, I'm shit.
Okay, David.
We can make a shitload of money out of coming shit.
Closure expected. Road work ahead. That's
Yeah, I'm gonna make your road work.
That's a cop.
That's a cop. He gone.
He gone.
He gone.
He gone.
He gone.
I forgot his road is probably like a 50-something.
Alright, you little beef bitch.
Why is there's a dotted on the straight, but there's a rumble strip in the middle?
I don't know, to remind you that you're going on the middle.
Yeah, I know, but if you're knowing that you're gonna pass, why would you put a rumble strip right there?
So the guys behind maybe hear you? I don't fucking know. I didn't design this road.
Who designed the road then?
I don't know! It wasn't me! That's right, look at the road, not at me!
No, I was looking at the camera angle because it's absolute shit.
Well, you're absolute shit! Look at yourself. You want to look at yourself like a little bitch?
Yeah, I know where we are because that's the rally place.
Yeah. Oh shit, we're over here. Oh.
So you don't know where we are?
No, I know where we are. I just thought we were somewhere else. But I know where we are, though. We're heading to the Mickey D's.
We're heading to Mexico.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
We're heading to Portugal.
Oh, Portugal. I thought it was Mexico.
No.
Oh.
Mexico is for Mexicans.
Went to the McDonald's?
No. We're going to Route 9. There's no way we're going to that McDonald's again. Otherwise we'll become I don't even want McDonald's, I want pizza. And food.
McDonald's is food. It's just not good food.
Yeah, exactly.
Even though I worked there.
You're a sad human being.
I am a sad human being.
That's right. You're gonna learn how to respect that. We're in a 45.
Yeah, I'm going 44.
Look at that, 75 degrees.
It's actually 74.
Shut up!
My car says it's 74.
Well, your car's wrong.
You're wrong.
You're wrong!
You're wrong.
You're gonna trust this car after how much shit's been put into it?
No, I haven't put any shit into it. It's put shit into me.
Exactly.
EPC lights on.
Oh.
She's not happy.
Yay!
That's the car's happy light. It does that when it's happy, I swear. Not when it's about
Where's
to
the
blow up.
horny? Oh, that's right.
Are you talking about the windshield wiper that got ripped off because of you last time? Yeah, that one. That I had to fix in the Hannaford parking lot through a WikiHow.
We didn't
At 11 o'clock at night.
We didn't even use the WikiHow.
I did. And there's the cop that was sitting there staring
Yeah,
at us.
yeah,
That we didn't even know
watching us
about.
the entire time.
We didn't even know about him. He was probably just staring at us.
Yeah. Here's an hour, 2 hours about.
We hit a bump and the EPC light flashed on and off.
I will open this door. I'm opening this door.
No, don't. David! David! David!
Bye!
David! I will pull this fucking car over. Right the fuck now. That's fucking broken!
He just punched the fucking map. To those who didn't notice.
It beeped at me. Let me go ahead and navigation. Oh yeah, we're in New Milford, New Jersey.
Destination.
This bitch really just told us to make an illegal U-turn. And now we're going to New Jersey.
No, we're not. Alright, address. Here we go.
Address anywhere but here.
Where's my phone? Fucking moved my phone on the ground.
No, that's when I stomped on the brakes and went flying into my dash.
Okay.
At least the sun is pretty.
Shut the fuck up, you little gay.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Shut up! Give me the... Stop judging my shit, bro. This dude's got a literal jar. A literal jar for his change. I don't know what century this guy's living in.
31st.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of quarters. No, don't touch it.
Touching
Don't
it.
touch it.
I'm touching it.
Okay, press.
Back up! Back up! Oh my god.
It smells like cherry. Stop!
You got it all over me. Did you?
Put it back.
What?
Put it back.
Why?
We only have a minute something left.
I'm getting it all over your car,
I
so it's
know.
nice and foamy.
Is this supposed to wiggle like this?
Your dick does. Better not blur that out.
More. It wants more.
More! Hurt me more!
Add more.
More!
David, that's good. But we're good, David. David, you're dropping stuff. You just dropped the quarter, my dude. That's not cool.
That's a nickel!
Oh, sorry. Alright, that's enough. It's literally counting down as you go. Bye, David.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.